If you've been paying attention to the real estate market recently, you will definitely have noticed that there's been a pretty significant shift to the frenzy that we were seeing earlier this year. This is mainly due to higher interest rates and a downward trending stock market. This does not by any stretch mean that the market is tanking. It just means things are a little more stable than they were before, and our real estate market is a bit more similar to the way it was before the pandemic. We still have low inventory in the city of Asheville, and if homes are in good locations and turnkey and priced well, they are still getting multiple offers. In the past couple of weeks, I've been in 2 multiple offer situations. One was with a seller and one was with a buyer. People have been asking me if it's only cash buyers that are purchasing in our market right now, and the answer is no. I have several buyers that are getting loans right now. They are likely buying at a lower price point than they would have been if they had been purchasing last year. Now I want to talk a little bit about why Asheville is more resilient than some other similar cities when it comes to the real estate market. One of the major reasons is the way the topography here only allows for so much growth within the city limit. You can't go create the same culture and feel that you have when you are in the areas closer into downtown and Haywood Road. And since there's not an endless amount of land in these more urban areas, if you want to live in a location that has that Asheville feel, then there are only a limited number of options. Homes are still likely going to appreciate in these areas, just maybe not quite as rapidly as they have in the past 2 years. If you need to sell, you may need to be a bit more strategic than you have in recent years, but Asheville homes are still very desirable. If you're a buyer, you are likely going to be able to get a little bit better of a deal, but don't expect a huge decrease in prices, especially if you're looking in one of the cool, walkable, bikeable areas of Asheville that my clients tend to love. The sheer uniqueness of what Asheville has to offer helps provide resilience to our real estate market.